Hi guys, this is boy Binky. I'm back for another video. Today I will show you how to fix the Discord black screen error. The first thing, go to app. I use my iPhone. From there you need to go to setting to fix the black screen error. Go to setting, type setting in the share bar. From there go scroll down. I'll go to storage, iPhone storage, where it, let's see, go to general. From general go to iPhone storage. From there scroll down, wait for a second, that analyze your data. What are you doing? And wait for a second and scroll down looking for Discord app. Discord app. From hit the scroll up and upload app, and upload the app and wait for a second. Oh, that's Amazon. You upload the app and you can switch back to your Discord app, and that you fix your problem in the black screen error. And this video for today, I hope that helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.